I'm Warren Jackson. I'm a technical marketing engineer at Dell Technologies. I help customers in their implementations of our gateways and edge solutions.
Hi, my name is David De La Rosa. I'm the Vice President for Telit Cinterion Industrial Software. One of the key elements of our suite is that it's highly integrated with all production equipment. So now that we have the visual inspection and the machine learning, it seamlessly integrates with reaching all the sensors in the brewery, sensors in any industrial setting. So you have one solution that could seamlessly integrate all these components and add the visual inspection and the machine learning in one platform without requiring custom coding. This is all drag and drop and discover and connected. It's very easy, very quick time to revenue platform.
So we've had a great partnership with Telit Cinterion going back many years now, and their software is incredibly powerful, and the main reason why is because of its scalability. So if you just want to do data ingestion, it will serve that purpose. If you want to add analytics, you can do that. If you want to add visualization, which we have in phase 1 of the brewery, the visualization piece of it, and the cloud connectivity, it has that. Now, with adding visual inspection to it and being able to do computer vision, it just makes it that much more powerful. And we've gone through the process in the partnership of testing and validating the device-wise suite on our Dell Edge gateways, as well as now into this new architecture, the XR4000. And the power of this solution that we've built in phase 2 is it shows the scalability of compute at the edge. If the problem can be solved with the gateway, we can do that. If you need a higher performance edge compute system, we can do that with our new ruggedized XR4000. So they've been fantastic and tightly aligned with them every step of the way through this journey, and we really appreciate the partnership. So when we first started this project, our premise and what we were trying to do is work with them here to actually solve problems that they deal with on a daily basis, and how we can leverage the power of Dell and the hardware that we offer and our solution partners to actually benefit what they're trying to do here. So in phase 1, we worked on helping them improve their fermentation process, which was wildly successful. And now in phase 2, we've kind of expanded our footprint and our solution to deal with now computer vision and AI, and utilizing kind of a similar architecture that we built on phase 1 in phase 2, and see it go from just theory and PowerPoint to reality and actually helping the people who work there do their jobs on a daily basis.
Yeah, I second that. I've seen how the Exhibit A team here looks at the displays, and they actually go up the ladder and they know exactly where the failure is. They go to the point and can address it, and they come down. So it's becoming like second nature. Before it was a guessing game for them. Now with the advent of AI and visual inspection, pinpoint and it went up and addressed it, and then came down. So I think they are definitely leveraging it. They're using it. It's very exciting for us to see it in action.
And just to expand upon that idea a little bit more, the premise of a lot of these solutions that we build at the edge are allowing the customers to go from being totally reactive in fire drill mode and panic mode to proactive, to be able to quickly have the information at their fingertips, and rather than being in a panic mode and trying to fix a situation, they have the information that's readily available, and they can be more proactive in solving what's going on.